So hey everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful day. So this is another video of the channel. Basically it's the first video after the introduction video. So today I will show you how much money I made in the month of October. So basically this is the October income report. So let's go and check how much I made in the month of October. Here I am using Get Big Report icon and I'm gonna go and click on now. We can see from in last month, from October 1 2022 to October 31st 2022, I made somewhere around $10,543.87 with by those 1073 books. I have uploaded more than 1,000 books till now. I'm doing this business from I think 18 months. I had almost 18 months in this business, so it's not all profit. I spent somewhere around 3.8k in ad spend on Amazon.com and $400 ad spend on Amazon.uk. So total of 3.8 and almost 4.2. Let's suppose almost I spent 4.2, and I have some subscription for $100 and $200. Let's suppose the expenditure for the month of October is 4.5k and my profit is 10.5k. So let's just use a calculator. I made 10.5 and expenditure is 4.5, and we made $6,000 of profit. So $6,000 is a profit for the month of October 2022 to 31st October 2022. So I hope you like this video. All of my books are low content books. Some are no content but they are not selling. They are selling 1 or 2. So thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Over and out.